From the moment Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez rekindled their early 2000s romance, the world watched with bated breath. Ben Affleck 2.0 was the stuff of fairy tales, two megastars finding their way back to each other after decades apart. But just like any great Hollywood story, their romance has had its fair share of drama, and this year brought it all to a crashing climax. The return of Ben Affleck, a love rekindled. Who could forget the day when Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez were spotted together again in 2021, sparking rumors that the two had rekindled their romance? The tabloids went into a frenzy, and soon the couple confirmed that love was indeed back in the air. By 2022, they were married in a lavish ceremony in Georgia, with fans and media celebrating the power couple's comeback. Their wedding was a star-studded event, and for a while, it seemed like their love story was one for the ages. Their chemistry was undeniable, and their public appearances were filled with the kind of affection that made fans believe in true love again. But as the years passed, cracks began to form beneath the surface of this seemingly perfect union, hinting at the storm that was brewing. Trouble in paradise, the first signs of a rift. This year was supposed to be another year of bliss for Ben Affleck, but the cracks in their seemingly perfect marriage began to show early on. While the couple had been publicly affectionate, insiders began to leak stories of growing tension between the two. Ben's reluctance to live in the public eye clashed with Jennifer's larger-than-life persona, leading to increasing friction behind closed doors. Friends of the couple noted that while Jennifer thrived on the attention and adored sharing their love with the world, Ben was more private and often found the constant scrutiny overwhelming. This difference in how they handled fame started to drive a wedge between them, with Jennifer feeling frustrated by Ben's desire to retreat from the spotlight. Despite their best efforts to make things work, it became clear that they were struggling to find common ground. The alleged affair. Ben Affleck and Kit Kennedy. The bombshell came in mid-2024 when rumors of Ben Affleck's alleged affair with Kit Kennedy, the granddaughter of Robert F. Kennedy, began to circulate. The whispers grew louder when the two were spotted together multiple times, leading to speculation that their relationship was more than just friendly. Neither Affleck nor Kennedy confirmed or denied the rumors, but the timing couldn't have been worse, with Jennifer Lopez already feeling the strain of their tumultuous relationship. The media had a field day with the story, dissecting every public sighting of Ben and Kit, trying to piece together the true nature of their connection. For Jennifer, this was a betrayal that cut deep, as she had always prided herself on being able to maintain a sense of loyalty and trust in her relationships. The affair rumors added fuel to an already smoldering fire, pushing their marriage to the brink. Jennifer Lopez files for divorce. A bitter end. On August 2024, Jennifer Lopez made the shocking decision to file for divorce from Ben Affleck. The date was symbolic. It marked the second anniversary of their wedding. Citing irreconcilable differences, Lopez listed their separation date as April 26, 2024, but sources close to the couple revealed that they had effectively separated much earlier. For Jennifer, the decision to end the marriage was not taken lightly. She had hoped to work through their issues, but the alleged affair and ongoing tensions made it clear that reconciliation was unlikely. The divorce filing sent shockwaves through Hollywood, with many fans expressing their sadness and disbelief that Ben Affleck was no more. The once unbreakable bond between these two stars had been shattered, leaving behind a trail of broken promises and unfulfilled dreams. The fallout. Jennifer Lopez's heartbreak. For Lopez, the divorce was a devastating blow. Friends close to the singer and actress reported that she was upset and disappointed by how things turned out, especially given the public nature of their relationship. The couple's different approaches to handling fame and personal life had long been a source of tension, but the cheating allegations were the final straw. Jennifer had always been a strong and independent woman, but the end of her marriage to Ben left her reeling. She had invested so much in their relationship, only to see it crumble in the most public way possible. In the weeks following the divorce filing, Jennifer focused on her work, throwing herself into her music and acting projects as a way to cope with the pain. Despite the heartbreak, she remained determined to keep moving forward and rebuild her life without Ben. Ben's side of the story. A man under pressure. While Jennifer Lopez grappled with the heartbreak, Ben Affleck also faced his own struggles. Insiders suggested that Affleck's need for personal space and his discomfort with the constant media attention were contributing factors to the breakdown of their marriage. Some sources even hinted that Affleck never fully committed to the relationship, leading to the couple's inevitable split. Ben had always been a complex figure, known for his introspective nature and desire to maintain a low profile. The pressure of living in the public eye, combined with the demands of a high-profile marriage, took a toll on him. Friends of the actor revealed that he often felt suffocated by the attention, longing for a simpler, more private life. This internal conflict made it difficult for him to give Jennifer the emotional support she needed, ultimately leading to the collapse of their marriage. The Kennedy connection. What's really going on? Kit Kennedy's involvement in the scandal added another layer of intrigue. As the rumors swirled, Kennedy maintained her silence, refusing to comment on the nature of her relationship with Affleck. This silence, of course, only fueled more speculation, with the media and fans alike trying to piece together the true nature of their relationship. The Kennedy family, known for its storied history and prominence in American politics, found itself at the center of yet another scandal, this time involving one of Hollywood's biggest stars. The alleged affair between Kit and Ben became a topic of endless gossip, with people wondering if there was any truth to the rumors or if it was all just a misunderstanding. Regardless of the reality, the damage had been done, and the affair allegations became a significant factor in the dissolution of Ben and Jennifer's marriage. Moving on, Jennifer's fresh start. As the dust settled, Jennifer Lopez began to focus on moving forward. The singer was seen stepping out in Los Angeles, looking every bit the star she is, despite the turmoil in her personal life. Sources close to Lopez revealed that she was determined to put the past behind her and focus on her children and career. Jennifer's resilience in the face of adversity has always been one of her defining traits, and this time was no different. She made a conscious decision to surround herself with positive influences, cutting out any negativity that might hinder her healing process. With her children by her side, Jennifer found the strength to move forward, using her experiences to fuel her creative endeavors. Her fans rallied around her, offering support and encouragement as she embarked on this new chapter in her life. Ben Affleck's new chapter, a solo journey. For Affleck, the aftermath of the divorce was a time of introspection. The actor was seen out with close friend Matt Damon, trying to maintain a semblance of normalcy amid the chaos. Despite the public fallout, Affleck appeared focused on his work, though the cloud of the cheating scandal still loomed large. Ben's relationship with Matt Damon has always been a cornerstone of his life, and during this challenging time, he leaned on his longtime friend for support. The two were often spotted together, whether grabbing dinner or attending events, providing a sense of stability in an otherwise turbulent period. Ben also threw himself into his work, using his projects as a way to distract himself from the drama surrounding his personal life. However, the public's interest in the scandal remained high, making it difficult for him to fully escape the shadow of his failed marriage. And that's the latest on the Ben Affleck saga. Definitely a Hollywood roller coaster. Don't forget to smash that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates on your favorite celebrity scandals and gossip. After all, who needs a soap opera when you've got Hollywood, right? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.